What is going on, my meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. By the dip. All right, guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about MMAT. That's right, and George, we trust, the best CEO there is out there. So, guys, we're going to take a quick look here at the chart, and yes, we were red today, down 7.89%, but we got why it's happening. The shorts are stepping in, and there probably was a little bit of day trading in here. I think that's possible. It was up into the this hit a high of 653 today, so we came down pretty significant from that down to the close. About a 12% drop, but you know, we're okay. We've been buying this early. We're still way up, guys. This could go down to $4, and I'm still up in my position. I got an average cost in the $3 range. But anyway, we're here to talk about what's going on. The FinTel numbers are kind of just blowing me away. And we had that big green day in the FinTel numbers. We're showing huge short dollars turned into the short positions. And we got more of that coming in today as well. So we're going to go over all that information. Also, we got some update on Nanotech as well. They put out a post today on Twitter. So if you're not following me, make sure you go follow me at TerryZ247. So guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and baby, let's go. We're going to first take a look at the short sale transactions that are $5,000 or greater. And check this out for yesterday, 9/28. The total short sale transactions, 551. The total shares shorted, 1,026,228 shares were shorted. The total dollar amount of shares shorted, $6,316,628.63. Another 6.3 million racks was thrown at this to drive it down in the price. This is just crazy, guys. So here's what I want to show you. 6.3 million today, 6.2 million on the 27th. So this was Monday and Tuesday. Monday they threw $6.2 million, and on Tuesday they threw 6.3 million, about $12.5 million to drive us down, what, 7%? I know, right? It took $12.5 million to only take us down a couple of cents. So they're not in good shape. They're getting boys deep in this short position, guys. Now, here's what I want to show you. The chart here I got. There is one big one that stands out, but let's take a look at that. But here's what I want you to see. This was probably the most short sale transaction account. We had 551. This is the most we've had in a long while. The biggest one here, they shorted 16,185 shares, and they did spend about $97,000, almost $98,000 to do it. But look at all the charts here. Look at all the spikes. The average short position is more than what it normally is. Right now, it's hanging around 25 to 50,000 on an average short position. And normally it was around that $10,000 to $20,000 range. But it looks like from this chart here, the average short position is $25,000 to $50,000 on a lot of these spikes. So they saw the stock going up. We go to the last 5 days. Come on here. We're still up over 10%, guys. So as they say, when in doubt, zoom out. So in the last 5 days, we're up over 10.64%. So keep that in mind. Now, back here looking at the short interest. Let's go take a peek at that. The short squeeze score did update. I did put out a morning update on Twitter. We'll get more into my Twitter later on. Short squeeze score is at 83.10. Ranked number 75 out of over 5,500 stocks. Right now, there is, update 10 minutes ago, there's 900,000 shares available to short. And I think what's happening is that these are people that was lending out shares, and now they're shorting the shares because the stock was on a little bit of a parabolic move. The short borrow fee went down, which honestly kind of shocks me at 8.89%, because we're looking at the numbers that they're doing, 6.3 million, 6.2 million, and we haven't had many $6 million days of shorting. So for today, on the 29th, the Fender short volume ratio about 14.3 million. They shorted about basically 50%, 49.48 short volume ratio. And look at yesterday, 53.59, and the total combined short volume ratio was a 55.25. The shorts are kind of increasing their position. When this thing was going up, they're loading up. So I still think there's a lot of shorts boys deep in this. And let's go take a look. I wanted to show you this too. The buyers, guys. Check out the buyers. There is a lot of new institutional buyers. Look at this. Dimensional ETF. We got BlackRock buying in. BlackRock funds. Now, this isn't short positions. This is 3,000 shares. This BlackRock fund bought 4,000 shares. That's not one we have to worry about. And a lot of other index funds and all from the 28th, 27th. Now, like I said, these are all from the July 31st. So these transactions were done 30 to 45 days around that July 31st date. So they just finally hit the Fintel for us to see as of like today, here on the 29th. But if you click on it here, boom, it says that this was done right here as of July 31st. So just wanted to point that out there. This doesn't mean it was done today. It was done somewhere around that point, 30 to 45 days. Now, what I want to go here to is the Twitter account, guys. Go follow me if you're not, at TerryZ247. Got the post here on Nanotech. Let's go. Got people liking it. Thank you guys for liking the post. And the main thing I want to talk about here, let me click on this. There we go. Nanotech posted this. Big thank you to our customers, partners, and employees and stakeholders for helping us achieve key milestones this year. Thank you for being an essential part of Nanotech's success in 2021. I just want to kind of give you a couple of the key highlights. They talked about here in December, the holographic conference. Then they got the currency news here in February. March, they got the live optic protect security foil launched. April, they did the Lumichrome color shifting film for security threads for banknotes in 2021, which that excites me. In May, they did the banknote technology. Here in July, they got the stop counterfeiting before it starts, present virtual brand protection for them, and in August agreed to be acquired by METATERRY. So there it is, guys. Go to my page. You can click on this and read it word for word if you would like. I did want to say that George, we haven't heard anything from George. He's kind of in that dark mode in a sense, but he did put a like on this post here on Twitter. Trading212, someone posted that Kenny G here said he was trying. He said, looks like Trading212 are up to their tricks again. Why can't I buy more shares of MMAT? Palacares, have a word, please. And Trading212 did reply back, and it seems like they did locate the root to cause and deployed a fix a few hours ago. Please restart the app a few times in order to receive the hot fix version. If any assistance is needed, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. And George put a like on it. So George is out there. And speaking of likes from George, he's been posting some music here as of late on his StockTwits. So make sure if you're not following George on StockTwits to go check him out on StockTwits. And he put this song up here about that I would walk 500 miles. It's kind of funny. People on StockTwits always post songs, and George posts songs on here as well. So it is kind of funny to see him interact with people. And he did put a like here on yesterday, last like he did. This person said, only fitting with the stocks we all own at Palacares. This is your dream, your vision. We are just here for the ride. And this song here, it's a motivational video. Your dreams are possible. So there's that update as well. George is out there, kind of sleek stealth mode going on. All right, and I want to say this is really weird. As I'm here, it will not tell me the ownership accumulation score for MMAT. But if I go up here and change this to another stock that I've been doing some more DD on, Bbig, it'll tell me the ownership accumulation score. So why isn't MMAT not having a ownership accumulation score? There's something going on there, because why is it showing me one stock and not another stock when we were in the top like 20? So real quick, we're going to do this together and let's just see. Is MMAT up on here? And we're going to scroll down here. You can see GUAD is number 1. Swear we were like number 2 or something, like 20 some or 18 some yesterday. And yeah, As I'm looking here, I'm not seeing it. Maybe one of you guys are seeing it, but MMAT is not in the top here as I'm scrolling down. So I think that is a little interesting. Hey, SoFi, there's number 40 of ownership accumulation. And not seeing, there's Bbig. We just passed Bbig. Got Bat. Got Barbecue. Got BNGO. Yeah, guys, top 100. It's not even on there. So something fishy is going on with that. I just wanted to throw that out there. We'll see if it updates in the morning. So just wanted to put that out there as well. Keep in mind, touching base on BBIG. I still got my shares, guys. I actually bought more of this dip. I'm actually loving the dip. I got up to a good bit more shares now in BBIG for my holdings. Not near what I got in Meta, but I got some, down buying this $6 just like free money in my opinion, because I think before the October 15th Tide spinoff, there's going to be some big news coming up. And I can't wait for this investor deck presentation to come out. It's going to be around the 4th or the 5th, or maybe around the 11th, the 5th through the 11th. There's a lot of stuff coming up from the 5th through the 11th on my stock, so BBIG is one of them. So just wanted to touch base on this one with you guys. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.